welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. We're here in the municipal office. We just paid our grader because it's time to do the repair again. It's been over a year since we do that, and I'll pay for 20 hours, which is 1,000 per hour on that grader. So yeah, because we still have remaining on the gap last year from the shepherd. So I allocate every time there's some remaining, I allocate it for the next repair that's gonna be due on the road. So we're hoping that it will stop on our problems on our repairs. So stay tuned. Bye. Hi, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. We're here in Trinidad. We have some lots to do a video. So but for now, I'm gonna show you the ordinary lives here and how it's different, right? It's very quiet and it's very, very hot. This is not this road is not really a lot of people passing, but I'm sure during morning and afternoon, kids going to school, and at the same time some workers going to work or coming from work will be passing this road. And that's a beautiful house over there. The house in the mango trees. This mangoes has been here for many years now, because you can see that it's an old mangoes because of their look. Scared to walk this road, especially in the night, because possible the giant will be out from the mango.
Giants?
Yeah.
Well, the giants are always a problem. Let's face it.
The giants will be out from the mango. Look at that, it's really El Nino now, because as you see, in the water in the Carabao pool is very